Today I'm gonna show you that how beginner mortgage for a beginner guide. Buying a home is the largest purchase you are likely to make. Before you arrange your mortgage, make sure you know what you can afford to borrow. Find out where to get mortgage, the different type of how to the process works. What is mortgage? Your deposit size matter. How does a mortgage work? Different type of mortgage. Let's get started, bro. What is mortgage? Mortgage is a loan taken out to buy property or land. Most run for 25 years, but the term can be shorter or longer. The loan is secured against the value of your home until it's paid off. If you can't keep your home repayment, the lender can process take back your home and sell it is so they get their money back. Working out what you can afford. Don't stretch yourself if you think you are struggle to keep up payments. Also think about the running costs of owning a home such as household bills, council tax, insurance and maintenance. Lenders will want to see proof of your income and certain expenditure if you have any doubt. They might ask for information about household bills, child maintenance, and personal expenses. Lenders want proof that you will be able to keep your repayment if interest rates rise. They might refuse to offer you a mortgage if they don't think you will be able to afford it. Where to get mortgage? You can apply for a mortgage directly from bank or building society choosing from their product range. You can also use a mortgage broker or independent financial advisor IFA who can compare different mortgage on the market as well as mortgage which are not offered directly to customers. Some brokers look at mortgage from the whole market while other look products from the number of lender. They'll tell you all about this and whatever they have any charges when you first contact them. Taking advice will almost certainly be best unless you are very experienced in financial matter in general and mortgage in the particular. It is sometimes possible to choose mortgage without receiving advice. This is called an execution only mortgage. There are often under limited circumstances you will be expected what type of mortgage you want, exactly what property you want to buy, how much you want to borrow for how long, the type interest rate that you want to borrow at the lender will buy to confirm that you have not received any advice and that is the mortgage has not been assessed to see if you are suitable for you. In some cases you might need to confirm that you are aware the consequence of the taking out of mortgage without receiving advice and you are happy to go ahead. If for some reasons the mortgage turns out the unsuitable for you, later on it will be very difficult for you to make complaint. If you do down the execution only route to lender will still carry out the detailed affordability checks the finance and assess your ability to continue to make payment in certain circumstances. Comparison websites are a good starting point of anyone to try and find a mortgage tailored their need. Remember, comparison website won't all over give you a same result, so make sure you use some more than one site before making a decision. It is also important to do some research into type of product and features you need before making purchase or changing supplier. Find out more information here. Apply for a mortgage. Applying for a mortgage is often two stage process. The first stage usually involves